Well, today is recognized as National Rural Health Day. As many in agriculture already know, rural communities are a wonderful place to live and work, which is why nearly 16 million people, that's 1 in 5 Americans, call those communities home. In correlation with this day, Senator Tina Smith, a Democrat from Minnesota, is introducing a bipartisan bill with Republican Senator Barrasso of Wyoming, that to help rural communities retain healthcare professionals.
How we can help support rural doctors' offices and clinics and hospitals where we know rural communities have had such a hard time recruiting healthcare providers, especially primary care physicians and others.
When it comes to the bill, Smith talks about what this bill would do and how it would help rural communities.
It would help communities train more primary care physicians. There's a federal effort that supports that, but we want to make sure that 50% of that training is taking place in rural communities. Also, the bill would help rural health systems recruit providers and support them so that they're likely to stay, because we have learned from the experience of local communities that if people are trained in those communities, they're much more likely to stay there.
That's Minnesota Senator Tina Smith. A renewable energy bill including biodiesel tax extenders all through the legislation's future is uncertainty. This week, California Democrat Mike Thompson introduced the Growing Renewable Energy and Efficiency Now, or GREEN Act, into the House of Representatives. Thompson says that the bill will build on existing tax initiatives that promote renewable energy and increase efficiencies. The bill would extend the current expired biodiesel tax credit through the multi-year extension. The legislation would keep the credit at its current rate of $1 per gallon for 2018 through 2020, but they say gradually reduce it to that 33 cents per gallon by 2024. I'm Susan Littlefield, the Rural Radio Network.
Iowa affected thousands of our neighbors, friends, and family. Food Bank for the Heartland has provided more than 570,000 meals to flood victims, but more assistance is still needed. Donate now at foodbankheartland.org. Flooding in Nebraska and western Iowa affected thousands of our neighbors, friends, and family. Food Bank for the Heartland has provided more than 570,000 meals to flood victims, but more assistance is still needed. Donate now at foodbankheartland.org.